Hello, today I am cooking something very delicious and very easy to make is potato porridge. I will start by heating my oil and frying the blended onion, ginger, garlic, fresh chili, rosemary and spring onion. And here I've added a pinch of salt, vegetable cube, white pepper and curry powder. I'll add my water and cover it up to boil together so the ingredient can combine. And here I will be adding the washed and cut potatoes and cover it to cook for about half done and check it. And here I'll be stirring it vigorously in order for the ingredient and potato to combine. And that is it. This is all about this potato. It's simple, easy to make, low budget, but very delicious. I have made it this way because I'm going to be serving it with a deliciously made vegetable sauce and fish. I hope you try this at home and keep supporting my channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so and go try this at home. You can see how colorful it is. I tell you, this is really delicious. Thank you so much for cooking with me. Until next time, it's goodbye.